Hi, today we'll be seeing how to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression. An infix expression is an expression in which operators are kept between the operands, and a postfix is the one in which the operators are placed after the operands. Let us see, these are the set of rules that we need to follow. The first one being, we need to draw a bracket around the given expression. This being the given expression, we'll be drawing a bracket around it. Secondly, we'll be starting to read all the symbols from left to right. We'll be placing all the operators and the brackets inside the stack section, and we'll be placing all the variables inside the expression section. Let us see which is the first one. The first symbol that we have in the expression is that of a starting bracket. We'll be placing it inside the stack. This is followed by a variable to be placed inside the expression section, which is followed by multiplication, which is to be placed inside the stack section, followed by b to be placed inside the expression, which becomes ab, followed by plus, which being an operator has to go inside the stack section. The only thing is that two operators of different precedence can stay together in a stack if and only if the initial one is having lower precedence as compared to the recent one. Here multiplication has got higher precedence as compared to plus, hence it needs to pop out and go to the expression section. This is followed by c. C being a variable goes inside the expression section, followed by closing bracket, which goes to stack. Whenever there is a closing bracket, all the operators in between the last opening bracket and the current closing bracket needs to jump out. We do not have anything else left in the infix expression, hence this is our derived postfix expression. Let us do a little bigger example. Let us see, the first symbol that we see is that of a opening bracket. We already have an opening and a closing bracket. The opening bracket goes inside the stack section, followed by a, which goes inside the expression section, followed by plus, which goes inside the stack section, followed by a opening bracket again in stack, followed by b in expression, followed by multiplication in stack. Plus and multiplication can stay together, they have a bracket in between them, and any which ways they are different precedence, with plus being lower precedence, followed by c. C needs to go to expression section, followed by minus. Minus and multiplication can stay together if and only if minus is before multiplication. That is, two different precedence can stay together only if the initial one is having lower precedence, which obviously is not right over here, or which obviously is that multiplication has to jump out, move to the expression section, followed by a closing bracket, sorry, a opening bracket, followed by d, which is a variable, goes inside the expression section, followed by division, which goes inside the stack section, followed by e, which goes inside the expression section, followed by root. Root goes to the stack section, can stay along with division because they both are having different precedence, and root is having higher precedence as compared to division, followed by f, which goes inside the expression section, followed by closing bracket. So all the expressions which are in between the last opening bracket and the current closing bracket have to jump out, with the higher precedence jumping out first, hence first root and then after division, followed by multiplication. Multiplication goes inside the stack. There was already a minus once the entire bracket was removed. It can stay with minus. The reason both of them have different precedence and minus has lower precedence. This is followed by G. G goes to expression section followed by bracket which goes inside the stack section. Again, when there is a bracket, all the operators between the initial and current one jumps out with the higher precedence jumping out first. So first multiplication, then division, followed by a multiplication which again will stay along with plus in the stack, with H which goes inside the expression section. Last comes the final closing bracket. Both the operators need to jump out. First the higher precedence, hence multiplication, and then plus. So this is our postfix expression. These are postfix and prefix expressions. You can see this is an infix, this is a prefix, this is a postfix. You can try out this postfix expressions for practice. Thank you.